We are waking up to a gorgeous sunrise down at the now frozen Lake of the Ozarks as we get into our Friday. Certainly kind of a sign of some beautiful weather headed our direction, but it is brutal as you wake up down that direction. 4 below as you wake up at Lake of the Ozarks. Again, most of us at least on the right side of 0, but you still got to bundle up as we get into this Friday morning. We're going to be improving things. I'll show you how warm we'll get. But again, looking at the big picture of things, we've kind of been stuck in that cold, but that's going to eventually pull off toward the north and east and get replaced by some warmer weather as we get into today, really, and into tomorrow. It's Sunday that we're going to be tracking our next disturbance rolling on through, and that's going to be bringing us some chances at some rain mostly. I'll show you the latest look at future track here in just a second. But temperature-wise, again, I mentioned help's on the way as we get into this afternoon. We're going to get up to about 30 degrees, almost 40 by the time Saturday afternoon rolls around. And I think that's where we're going to be looking at things getting by Sunday afternoon. But as we're going to be getting into the midday hour, I think that's when that rain's going to start to come back down. Latest look at future track as this initially pushes in. It might be cold enough as we get into Sunday morning that some of that comes down as some sleet, maybe a little bit of some snowflakes here initially. I think, though, it's just going to be a cold rain that takes over here for most of us, really south of Highway 24, up around Highway 36, places like Macon. We'll have to watch them going forward. But, again, I'm not expecting a whole lot of issues. Reason for it, there's a lot of hurdles we're going to have to get up and over. It's just a little bit too warm Saturday night. We're going to be looking at wet roads, so anything that's going to be falling in terms of that frozen precipitation is going to have a lot of issues here sticking to some of those roads. And it's going to be fairly light in and of itself. So not expecting a lot of issues with this system. And then we get back to the warming trend that we're going to be tracking right through this weekend and right on into Monday into Tuesday. I think Tuesday is looking like it's going to be the warmest day of the next week here. Looking at that ABC 17 Storm Track 7-day forecast. More sunshine, might be a little breezy as we get into Monday night into Tuesday itself. But that'll help us get back into the 50s to near 60 degrees for the second day of that work week.